Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you pork meat curry with sweet mini peppers. It's very easy to make and it's very tasty and super delicious. I have a 1 pound of pork meat. I cut it into small pieces. I washed with the cold water. I'm going to use half onion. I have a jumbo size onion, so I'm going to dice the onion. For our tadka, I'm going to use olive oil and the spices from my spice rack. So please check out the description below for the ingredient list. And let's get started. Onion is cut into small pieces. And as for the sweet mini pepper, you can cut it on the side like this, or you can cut it small pieces, whatever the way you prefer. And I have finished it, the other colors. So let's start tadka. Get a fry pan and start gas. And I'm going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, I'll bring onion, mix it well. We're going to saute our onion until they get translucent. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They are nicely transparent. And we're going to bring pork meat. Mix it well. I'll bring the gas to medium, and we're going to bring 1 cup diced tomato, and we're going to mix it well. I'll bring the spices, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, garam masala, half teaspoon, coriander powder, half teaspoon, cumin powder, half teaspoon, black pepper, half teaspoon, ground ginger, half teaspoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons water. And I'm going to bring the gas on high, and we're going to mix it well. All the spices are nicely combined. I'm going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. I'll start the fan. Mix it. Now I'm going to bring the gas to medium. 3/4 cup hot water. Initially we added a couple tablespoons water, so altogether 1 cup water. And we're going to mix it well. Once it's mixed, and we're going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 10 minutes on medium gas. Cooking our pork on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. Mix it. And if we check our pork, that one nicely cut through. Our pork is nicely cooked. If I check the other piece, yes. Now I'll bring sweet mini peppers, and I'm going to mix it well. Our meat is fully cooked, and we want to just cook our mini sweet peppers on a low flame. So I'm going to bring my gas to number 2, and I'm going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, pepper will soak all the masala and they're going to taste well. Then we're going to dish out. Cooking for another 5 minutes with the closed lid. Our pork meat is all ready. You don't want to overcook your sweet mini peppers, then they become more mushy and they don't taste well. This way they stay firm and they taste well. We added 1 cup of water and this is a perfect gravy. This is like a Rasva pork. If you want to make it running, you always can do so. But this will be perfect. Our meat is nicely cooked. I'll turn off the gas and we'll dish out. Well, look at this. Our Rasva pork super yum. Garnish with parsley. Wow, it's looking so good. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is very delicious. You can serve with rice, pilaf. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.